be discussing about how the Nifty is placed at the current moment and what happened overnight in the global markets. Then we try to figure out how Indian market is about to open today. Let's get started by talking about Nifty's daily chart. You can see here the highlighted part after a good 2 days of up move. In the last 3 sessions, there was some profit booking happening in the Nifty. The good thing is it was on the lower volume. Hence, it escaped the distribution days twice. We had only one distribution day in these 3 sessions. That is a very good sign. And you can see the Nifty is trading above its key moving averages, 50, 100, 21, all the moving averages. It indicates a bullishness in the market for the near term. Hence, we have been adding stocks to our model portfolio if you are following our emails. Then I will talk about what happened in the US markets overnight. You can see after 2 days of huge selling in US market, yesterday there was some good thing happened in the market that after making a lows during the close of the session, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, all the major indices retraced and closed in the higher the green zone. S&P reclaimed its 200 DMA, which is a long-term support for the index. As well, Nasdaq reclaimed its 50 DMA. However, Nasdaq is trading below its 100 and 200 DMAs. Those are the resistance zones at the current moment. Talking about the Brent crude, it is trading at around $100 per barrel. After reaching an new high of 120 per barrel, this is a good sign that a decline of $20 is a good sign for countries which import crude, example India. And US 10-year yield is around 2.67% at the current moment. It is the highest level since 2019. As US Fed is continues to be hawkish because of its high inflation rates, treasury yields have increasing for the past 2 weeks. Major news in US markets are the Shell is about to write off around 4 to 5 billion because of its exit from Russian market due to the ongoing geopolitical tensions in that zone. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, has unveiled its stake around 11% in HP. Because of this news, HP zoomed around 15% in the pre-market yesterday. And talking about Asian markets and HDX Nifty indication, you can see Asian markets are flat too with a negative bias. They are trading in the red zone at the current moment. However, HDX Nifty is indicating a positive indication for the Indian market. Today, RBI is about to unveil its MPC meeting outcome. Here, major 2 things to be noted are the growth projection and the inflation projection by the RBI governor, because they will play a huge role in the coming quarters. And because of red hot March month, there was a huge boost in the AC sales in the country. Stocks like Blue Star and Voltas are in good momentum because of this news. And there was a few reports that Government of India is planning to sell a 7% stake in LIC compared to 5% that was reported previously. And ECB has also delivered a hawkish outcome, that is they are trying to increase the interest rates by looking at the higher inflation rates in the country, which is happening all over the world at the current moment. Talking about a few stocks of interest for the day, VIP has been our buy watch list stock. It is trading in its ideal buy zone. You can see here the huge volume build up when the stock is going up, which is a good sign. And on its pullback, you can see here closely, volume has been below the 50 DMA average. That is a good sign. And positives of this stocks are institutional investors have been increasing sponsorship for the stock from 87 in March 21 to 113 in December 21. And the ratings have also been good. Hence, we might add it to our portfolio. And one more stock is Solar Industries. It is trading in its ideal buy zone. You can see here again the volume on the up base is very high compared to the volume on down base, which is a good sign according to price volume action. And its institutional sponsorship is also been increasing steadily on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the ratings have also been on the good side. Hence, we might add it to our portfolio if the stock trades higher on the above average. Thanks for joining pre-bill. I feel there are some internet issues because of which a few of the audience faced difficulties, but we try to nullify that in the coming sessions. Please tune in every day for this time around 8:45 Monday to Friday for this pre-bill. Thank you for joining.